So apparently your refrigerator is more dangerous than your motorcycle. So next time someone says your motorcycle is dangerous, just remind them of that one, right? So yeah, 300,000 people die of obesity fatalities every year, but only 7,000 people die of motorcycle fatalities. I mean, it's still not zero, but you know, it's better than, you know, the alternative there. So so my advice is get a smaller refrigerator and a second motorcycle. How about that one? Anyway, all right, take care. See you.